Roomie's got a special Kpop Demon Hunter's meal. And her own paper doll. Look, Jinu's here too! Let's bring these two together. Truly life-imitating fan art. Oh no! The demons have got Jinu captured! Come on, Roomie! We need to get demon hunting. Then we can save Jinu and act out my fanfics. There's something in the sewer. How do we open it? A sword? Fish? Well, let's give it a try. Next, let's try this handy-dandy carrot. Is that even a pun? I'm starting to think we should use that big rock. Wait, here in the trash. Now this blade looks familiar. It's Roomie's sword. So who's up for a slice? Look, it's Derpy. Aw, but you're all messy. Don't worry, we can help clean you up. Just hope blue demon tigers aren't dry clean only. Let's clean out those ears. And squeeze in a mani-pedi. Feeling hungry? Let's hope you're in the mood for tuna. Guess Derpy's just a big cat at heart. Which means we need to keep an eye on your plants.
No.
Derpy could use a distraction. So here's a ball of yarn to work out those claws. And to say thanks, it's the first key. Next up, Roomie's competing with the Saja boys. But first, let's see what game we're gonna play. And the scroll reads, a dance battle? Okay then, cue the music and put your skills to the test. Even without Jinu, these demon boys sure can boogie. And it looks like the judges agree. Whose side are you on, Roomie? Well, now it's Mini Roomie's turn. Crank up the volume. But first, she's gonna need some backup. Zoe, Mira, you're on. They could use a little spark. And I'm not just talking about inspiration. Now that's what I call an electric slide. And we've got a winner. Bobby would be so proud. Let's show them what they've won. The next key. You girls earned a little break. Make that a snack break. Got it. Pizza and donuts. Uh-oh, the fridge is empty. Well, let's hit up a convenience store. Let's keep an eye out for some cool snacks. Looks like we've found our little soda pop. And who can say no to some gimbap? We can't forget the ultimate snack, ramyun. Of course, you can't have ramyun sans toppings. Like the all-time Zoe fave, a burger. Now let's buck tradition and play with our food. Try to match everybody with their snack. You know this is Mira's. She's got her name on it. And she likes her stuff extra spicy. Here, wait until you try the special ingredient. Uh-oh, it looks like this girl is on fire. Well, that could have gone better. Cue magic tears. Guess crying does fix everything. Okay then, back to the game we go. Looks like Zoe's getting the gimbap. With a side of shrimp sushi too. I don't think that's supposed to do that. Ew, who ordered the bug?
Ew.
Moving on.
Yuck.
What's Roomie having for lunch? Ooh, a sandwich cookie. They're so good. You just can't stop at one. Remember, you're in Hunter X, not the chipmunks. So it's important to chew your food. Not that hard. Ooh, you lost a tooth. But you gained something better. A key. And speaking of keys, there's the next one. Wait, this all seems a little too easy. Either way, there's a dress code in here. Well, at least they give you a locker for your stuff. And they don't make you share it like in school. Well, it's time to hit the jacuzzi. You see the hand, right? Either way, grab your snorkel and dive on in. Uh-oh, there's demons in the water. Well, it's nothing our mallet can't fix. Never know what could be lurking beneath the bubbles. Honestly, this place could use a filter or something. Maybe we'll have better luck with whatever's in here. There's something behind this demon. It's the rainbow key. Great, now let's get out of here. Hold on, Genu, we've almost got you out. The sewer? Don't have to ask me twice. Let's jump in. Sussy's in a cage. Think we can spring him? Like most things in life, the solution is connections. We're gonna need some special tools. Take your hammer and let's see what we got. A piece of hard candy? Well, I'm not complaining. Next up, string. Well, at least we're getting closer. Aha! Pipe cleaners! Now that's what we need! The best part is that they're already color-coded. Now pull that lever and Sussy is a free bird. And it turns out that the string is handy too. Hold on! Hey, it's the Saja boys. They might look cute, but true beauty is really on the inside. Especially when that true beauty shows up in photos. Well, Roomie, it's time to put those Kpop Demon Hunting skills to work. Sorry, Saja boys, Weema can't save you now. Though you're kind of better off without him. And look, you've won a key! Let's save Genu! Almost done. Just gotta remove these chains. Now you're as golden as Han Moon. Finally a happy ending. But do you think we'll get a sequel? Uh-oh, can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close, and you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more, just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food, a popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. A marble. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look, we've got Zootopia blind boxes. Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute. It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hops. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like.